what would be the right exfoliating method for my oily skin? Hey guys, welcome back to Wishtrend TV. It's your sister Eunice here. Really happy to see you guys. Now, for our previous episode, we talked about chemical exfoliations. For part 2, today we're gonna talk about physical exfoliations focusing on oily skin types. Now, for our last episode, we're gonna be talking about body exfoliating tips, so don't go anywhere and stay tuned in. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to Wishtrend TV, like this video for us, and also follow us on our Instagram as well. Round 1. Different types of physical exfoliators. Now, before we start talking about the different types of physical exfoliators, we want you to click right here if you want to know the basic exfoliating tips and when you should exfoliate. Check out our previous video. Now, let's talk about the different types of physical exfoliators. The first one is scrubs. Now, scrubs are the most frequently used physical exfoliators, and they have ingredients such as oatmeal, rice powder, and sugar. And they activate on the outer layer of your skin, the epidermis layer, and also they are amazing for skin regeneration as well. The particles help to remove dead skin cells physically, and the acidic substance helps to remove dead skin cells at the same time. If your skin is sensitive, try to use smaller particles, which is less irritating. Second one is facial pads, and facial pads help to remove dead skin cells by wiping the surface of your skin before or after cleansing step. Facial pads are soaked in liquid type of chemical exfoliators, so when you choose one, make sure to choose something that is right for your skin. The third one is cleansing devices. Unlike scrubs that scrapes off dead skin cells or melts dead skin cells, cleansing devices gently massages impurities away while you're cleansing. The good thing about cleansing devices is that you can pair it with the cleansing products that you're already used to, so it lowers and reduces the risk of new side effects. Also, you can keep it hygienic by washing it thoroughly after you use it. 4 different types of cleansing devices. You have a bristle brush and a silicone brush and a sponge type. The pros of a bristle brush is it's firm bristle brush. It helps to remove thick dead skin cells that builds up. Also, it's a con because it can be irritating for your skin. Now, a silicone brush is less irritating than a bristle brush because it mainly focuses on removing sebum and impurities away compared to strong exfoliation. It can be more hygienic than a bristle brush if you wash it thoroughly after you use it, because silicone prevents bacteria from growing. The last one is a sponge type, and it is 100% natural and it's biodegradable. Usually it's made out of plant roots and it's non-irritating, so you can use it every single day. And just like a bristle brush and a silicone brush, you can pair it with your cleansing products that you're already used to. All right, now let's find out which skin types need physical exfoliation. Round 2, skin types that need physical exfoliation. Now, if you have oily skin type, scrubs can help. Now, oily skin types produces a lot of sebum and they have thick dead skin cells compared to dry or sensitive skin types. We want to recommend using a scrub with bigger particles, or we want to recommend that you use cleansing devices regularly because usually for oily skin types, dead skin cells builds up much quicker. Now, if you have oily and sensitive skin type, we want to recommend that you use scrubs with smaller particles. However, if you feel like no matter what size the particles are, if it's still irritating for your skin, we want to recommend using a product with high concentration of BHA, also known as salicylic acid. We want to recommend that you use a product with BHA of less than 2%. If you're starting off, even 1% will be enough. And for oily skin types, we want to recommend that you exfoliate about 1 to 2 times a week. Now, if you have oily T-zone and your U-zone is dry, you have combination skin. I also have combination skin myself. For combination skin types, it's really important that you use different skincare products for each zones. So for the T-zone, we want to recommend that you use a scrub type. And for the U-zone, we want to recommend using AHAs because they're very hydrating. And we do want to recommend that you exfoliate your skin about once a week. Likewise, if you have oily T-zone and neutral U-zone, we want to recommend that you use different skincare products for each zones. For the oily T-zone, we want to recommend using a scrub, and for the U-zone, we want to recommend that you use facial pads with BHA, or we want to recommend that you wash your face with a sponge. And we do want to recommend that you exfoliate your skin about 1 to 2 times a week. So far, we talked about physical exfoliating tips for combination and oily skin types. Now, we want to remind you to fully moisturize your skin after exfoliation. We also talked about aftercare tips, so please click right here for our previous video. Round 3, homemade DIY facial scrubs. Now, using physical or chemical exfoliators for your skin type is very ideal. However, you might want to remove dead skin cells right now, this very moment. That's why our staff has prepared the recipe for homemade scrubs for you guys. We have prepared 4 different scrub types for different skin types, so just follow Ani today. And please do remember to do a patch test before you apply it on your face. Please apply the scrub right here onto the inner parts, right behind your elbow, and then wait about 15 minutes. Check to see if you feel any itchiness or swelling. If you don't, go ahead and apply it on your skin. Alright, so let's start our step-by-step DIY scrubs. You can customize it your own way, but please do remember this formula. 2 tablespoons of exfoliant, 2 tablespoons of oil or liquid, 1 teaspoon of skin-enhancing ingredient. The exfoliants that we're going to be using today are ground almond, coffee grounds, ground rice, and oatmeal. Number 1, ground almonds. Now, ground almonds are amazing for aged skin with wrinkles. It helps to hydrate your skin, nourish your skin. And the oil from almonds delivers vitamin A and E to your skin. The second one is coffee grounds. And coffee grounds are packed with antioxidants, and they're very gentle because it is very similar to skin's pH. And it is great for dull skin and dark circles. The third one is ground rice. As many of you guys know already, ground rice has been loved for its skin benefits in Asia for a long period of time. Rice helps to make your skin brighter, and it helps to reduce pigmentation and wrinkles as well. The last ingredient is oatmeal. If you have sensitive skin, we want to recommend that you try oatmeal. Now, oatmeal is anti-inflammatory. It contains omega-3 fatty acids to hydrate your skin as well. If you have extremely sensitive skin, we want to recommend that you try ground oatmeal. Alright guys, so now we're going to be recommending 4 different oil or liquid to add, which are egg whites, yogurt, aloe vera, and coconut oil. The first one is egg whites. Egg whites help to tighten pores, even out skin surface, and also reduces wrinkles as well. Egg whites are amazing for oily and aged skin. The second one is yogurt. Now, lactic acid from the yogurt helps to make your skin brighter, and the fat and the protein helps to reduce wrinkles. Third one is aloe vera. Aloe vera helps to keep our skin clear and healthy, and also it helps to reduce puffiness effectively. The fat from the coconut oil helps to hydrate your skin. The lauric acid helps to protect your skin and makes your skin soft and hydrates your skin at the same time. Also, it works as an antiseptic that helps to keep the healthy pH level of your skin. Finally, we will be sharing skin-enhancing ingredients, which is avocado, turmeric, parsley, and honey. The first one is avocado. Avocado is a great antioxidant. It has a lot of healthy fats to moisturize your skin fast. The second one is turmeric. Turmeric helps your acne and acne scars to heal. The third one is parsley. Parsley is great for dark circles and dark spots as well. The fourth one is honey. Honey sterilizes bad bacteria and works as a moisturizer to make your skin soft and hydrated. Also, it helps to reduce inflammation. Now, we're gonna mix and match 4 different natural ingredients according to different skin types. Remember, you can customize it your own way, however, do it according to your skin's needs. First scrub is for dry skin types. Almond powder for the exfoliant, coconut oil for the oil, and avocado for the skin-enhancing ingredient. It helps to remove dead skin cells, and the healthy fats from the almond and the coconut and the avocado will be delivered to your skin. Scrubs for oily skin types: coffee grounds, egg whites, and turmeric. Egg whites help to tighten the pores, and the turmeric and coffee ground powders help to absorb sebum and control skin's pH. The third scrub is for aged skin: ground rice, yogurt, and parsley. This is a great combination for aged skin. It's gonna help to reduce pigmentation, and also it's gonna help to remove dark spots. The fourth one is scrubs for sensitive skin. For sensitive skin, you have oatmeal, aloe vera, and honey. Oatmeal and aloe vera are anti-inflammatory, and they're very gentle to your skin. Also, if you have extremely sensitive skin types, we want to recommend that you try grinding the oatmeals. Now, all you have to do is gently massage the scrubs using your fingers. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in until the very end. We really hope that the exfoliating tips from episode 1 and 2 were informative for you guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Wishtrend TV, follow us on our Instagram at Wishtrend TV, and also for our last episode, we have body exfoliating tips, so come back and join us. Thank you guys, and we will see you next time. Bye Wishtrenders!